feeling good.
Woo! I fell into the rut. Why are these things so huge? Hold on. Nope.
Whoa! Almost just died. I got Dustin coming on the outside.
Here we are.
You go on that horse trail.
Oh yeah, that looks nice.
There's a berm on the outside.
A berm. Oh!
There she goes!
What a berm!
Dude, that's almost better than that other berm.
How was the wipeout? Not too bad?
Good. I was going like 5 miles an hour, so.
That's not bad.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
I just got some, look at that.
You got dirt in your hole?
I was kind of bailing before.
Yeah.
Like I had a pre-cum jump off.
Yeah.
Frick, yeah, mate. Yes, finally.
Finally he crashes.
Dude, I've been waiting for this moment.
Yeah, he's been waiting so long to crash. He's like, oh dude, there's a nice trail back there.
My fucking nuts. Also, I gotta pound this thing down a little bit. Oop.
Oh, big stick. He broke her in half.
Jump to get back on.
That was a nice jump. Wiggly wormy. Oh, yeah.
Oh, she gets worse.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, here comes some big rust. Dustin, I'd get out of the middle. You're Jude now. You're Jude. He's middle.
Follow me.
He's in the middle.
Do not get.
He's gonna fall in there. No way. Oh my. I think it is. Holy Jews. Is that a good time over there? Any pokies?
I don't know.
Oh God.
Come up here.
I'm coming. Woo!
Hill climb, dude.
Oh God.
Oh yeah, dude, it's nice up here.
Get out of the way, stupid branch. Eat my poop. It's nice up there?
Yeah. You should take a pick up here, actually.
I'm coming. Hill climb.
Yeah, buddy.
Holy pine cone-topia. There he goes. Oh, dude, there's a little trail over that way, too. I wonder what's that way.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, little hill climb. Hey, you want to just go down and come back up?
Sure.
And then we'll leave.
Yeah.
Rear brake only, remember?
Yeah.
Looks like a lot of vehicles go through here.
Yeah.
Like, sometimes. On Tuesdays. Alright. There is some prickers, so.
Oh, what a good time this is. Sticking prickers. I stalled her out.
Oh,
God
really?
dang. Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to be really stingy with your clutch.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Cock. Yep.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh god.
What's the cock? Oh, there's a little jump here. Woo! Woo!
Uh-oh.
That was a good time.
Wait,
Oh,
Explorer.
what's straight?
I don't know.
Might as well check her out.
I think this is a little shortcut.
Is she?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a shortcut. It's not even that bad. Dustin, you can come back here. That's nice. That was a nice shortcut.
Ooh.
That was so nice. It was a shortcut.
Wow.
That was very nice.
Oh,
this
This road must be so sticky right now.
Berm? Are you berming it? Alright, let's see how the real guy does it. It's very steep, just to let you know. You're gonna like sting and bottom out if you go fast. No way! What the gawk? What the
So big boys, big cunts do it.
Well, you're in luck, cause I'm a big cunt.
Not gonna lie, I was genuinely scared. I thought I was gonna crash.